Hello everyone, it's Milad Raza Qadri from Glasgow, Scotland. Keep listening to Radio Plus, the best radio station in the whole of Mauritius. Thank you.
Malikul Mulk, Malikul Mulk, La Sharika Lahu, Wahdahu La ilaha illahu, Shams Tabriz dar Khuda talabi, Khushbu la ilaha illahu, tere hi naam se har ibtida hai, tere hi naam tak har intiha hai, teri hamdo sana الحمدللہ کہ تو میرے محمد کا خدا ہے. اللہ 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 اللہ. یہ زمین جب نہ تھی، یہ جہاں جب نہ تھا، چاند سورج نہ تھے، آسماں جب نہ تھا، راز حق بھی کسی پر آیا جب نہ تھا، راز حق بھی کسی پر آیا جب نہ تھا، تب نہ تھا کچھ یہاں، تب نہ تھا کچھ یہاں تھا مگر تو ہی تو. اللہ 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 اللہ.
You have been actually gifted, and I should say that we are so lucky to have you here in the studio with us right now. Let me just remind our listeners that we have Milad Raza Qadri with us, and it's the question and answers going on right now. Milad, I think you are so young, but then you are so full of positive intentions as well, with the trying to send a message of peace towards all the youngsters as well, all the generations, all the humanities actually. I want your opinion about we youngsters at times we are tempted by things, etc. And what's your message especially for the youngsters who are tuning right now, who at this age actually we do use our mobile for communication, networking as well. Do you have any special message for the youngsters?
The
like
special message I'd like to give is there was one of our great imams, one of Imam Abu Hanifa, who people used to backbite him and give him hate. What he used to do is he used to send, at that time there was dates, sweets, he used to send as a gift. Those people who used to spread,
stones at him.
Yeah, they showed hate to him, but he, with love, he would give them dates. So what my message is, and it's inspired from the great, you must have heard of Khwaja Gharib Nawaz, Khwaja Muinuddin Chishti Ajmeri Rahmatullah Alayh, is love all, hate none. So if someone is showing you hate, tackle that with love, because hate cannot tackle hate. So we need to show love and then finish hate. And I think the youngsters today, we have this, when we're young, we tend to get angry quickly, and we just start swearing at each other, or there's many things, especially in school.
You have to succeed. And
everybody's trying to show big, but no one's big. We're all equal, and we're all part of the human race, and I think everybody is equal. There's no one superior to another person. So I think we need to finish hate with the love. This kalam I'd like to dedicate, it's a qawwali which I'd like to dedicate for everyone. بھر دو جولی میری یا محمد، لوٹ کر میں نہ جاؤں گا خالی. بھر دو جولی میری یا محمد لوٹ کر میں نہ جاؤں گا خالی بھر دو جولی میری یا محمد لوٹ کر میں نہ جاؤں گا خالی کچھ نواسوں کا صدقہ عطا ہو در پہ آیا ہوں بن کر سوالی بھر دو جولی میری یا محمد لوٹ کر میں نہ جاؤں گا خالی زندگی بخش دی بندگی کو آبرو دین حق کی بچا لی آبرو دین حق کی بچا لی زندگی بخش دی بندگی کو آبرو دین حق کی بچا لی وہ محمد کا پیارا نواسا نواسا وہ محمد کا پیارا نواسا جس نے سجدے میں گردن کٹا لی بھر دو جولی میری سرکار مدینہ بھر دو جولی میری تاجدار مدینہ بھر دو جولی اور کاش پورنم دیا رے نبی میں جیتے جی ہو بلاوا کسی دن حال غم مصطفیٰ کو سناؤں تھام کر ان کے روزے کی جالی
As far as I know right now, I've been listening to the two listeners. You're very close to people who are there for your fans, actually, because the men who were saying he was unfortunate not to be able to meet up with you. Is it that you're always in touch with them? And
it's because I never forget my fans. Whatever, I've released, they support me through buying it, through, coming to my events. It means a lot to me. And it's been, I've been on stage, it's been nearly 10 years. I've been performing. When I've started singing these Sufi songs was when I was at the age of 3. So it's been a very long time, and I really appreciate those people that take their time out. And I think every artist, it's not just, any artist in the world, he should take time out for his fans because they are the ones that make him.
So you have a special meeting actually with the president. And did you have the chance to meet up with her earlier?
No, it's the first time, and I'm really honored, inshallah.
And she's the very first female president of Mauritius.
That's a very interesting thing, Alhamdulillah, I'm really looking forward, and I'm feeling honored to meet her and share views with her, inshallah.
Well, thank you very, very much, and we look forward to have you once again in the studio very soon. And on behalf of all your fans out there, on behalf of the entire crew of Radio Plus, thank you so much for doing the honors.
Thank you very much. I'd like to thank all the Radio Plus team for doing a magnificent job. And I'd also like, if any of my fans want to connect with me, they can download my app. Yeah. It's available on Apple, Android and Windows. You just have to type in MRQ Official and it will come up, and you can download it and connect with us. You can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat. There's too many of these
Periscope as well.
Yes, it's going live on Periscope. I'd like to thank all those who are tuned in as well. So Alhamdulillah, and I am inviting everyone to come to the events, and I will inshallah meet you all one by one inshallah.